85-year-old gentleman. He is hypertensive, diabetic, he is having hypothyroid issues, and he was in actually heart failure with bilateral pedal edema. Recently, he was investigated and properly treated by a senior team of cardiologists who actually advised and started on dual antiplatelet with very high potency antiplatelets. Antiplatelets were just stopped 48 hours before, and now they advised categorically the cardiac team to do any sort of minimally invasive procedure for this patient prostate under local anesthesia. This patient has got a 32-gram prostate with a rising creatinine and a post-void residual of 153 cc and a peak flow Qmax only 5 ml per second. And he has got a PSA of 2.02, which is actually the normal PSA level. So this category of patients who are not fit for, at the age of 85, who are not fit for any sort of even laser or TUIP procedures, here Rizom comes best. So we'll go inside. So there is a trigger. So the needle is coming outside, as you can see, and there is a jet of fluid which is for irrigation purpose from a different switch coming out actually, and this is the needle which will actually fire the water vapor in a heated temperature of 103 degrees Celsius. So this is the device. This is actual Boston Scientific Rizom what we are using. Okay, so can we lock the needle again? So done. Fast. So this is always mandatory. Please remember, for before we go inside the body and inside the urethra, that this should be checked on table before we go inside for the water vapor Rizom therapy. Okay. There are some oozing because of antiplatelets, I believe. So patient is on 5 dose antiplatelet, dual antiplatelets, stopped just 48 hours before. I'll fire first the needle. Blue button. So I'll start. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, done. So Rizom started. খুব ভালো লাগলো। কোনো কষ্ট হলো আপনার? কোনো ব্যথা যন্ত্রণা অনুভব করলেন? কিছু বুঝতে পারলেন? কেমন লাগলো? আপনার পেচ্ছাপের রাস্তাটা বন্ধ ছিল, পেচ্ছাপ করতে অসুবিধে হচ্ছিল, তো সেটা পুরোপুরি খুলে দেওয়া হলো। আগামী 1 সপ্তাহের মধ্যে, 1 সপ্তাহ 10 দিনের মধ্যে আপনার ক্যাথেটার খুলে দেওয়া হবে। ঠিক আছে? আপনি তাতে খুশি?